Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're at the Oliver in the Heights, Houston, Texas. So it's the Oliver Heights, Houston, Texas. By the way, this is from my channel, Best Houston Apartments. So we walked inside. This is the first floor, this is the lobby, so I just wanted you to see what it looks like. It's really cute. It's essentially a leasing office, which is above there, and then it's kind of areas over here to kind of work, and it's just kind of a work lounge and then just kind of a lounge combination. The garage is over here, and we just got some footage of that. That's over there, and then like I said, the leasing office is over there. We are going to walk past just so you can see what this looks like. There's some coffee you can grab over here. There's your mail room and things like that, and then there's a restroom over here. So it's just kind of a basic lobby, and it's very cute, very well done. You're gonna like the look and the feel, and boy, I can't get over how good this location is. So anyway, this is what it looks like here inside. Now we're gonna go see some more of the amenities. Let's go do that right now. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, of course, send me a text. I can't wait to hear from you. That's my number below. Just say hi, Grant, and we'll go from there.